This is a quick video just to demonstrate how to put A4 pattern pieces together. I've learned 2 to 3 techniques along the way, and I thought to pour them out here in this video and demonstrate that to you. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then keep on watching. If you've been redirected to this video from my sewing course on the Domestika website, then you would already have the A4 version and the A0 version. Do note that the A4 version is the exact same thing as the A0 versions. Only difference is they've been broken down into A4 pages, and that's what I'm going to show you how to piece together. The sewing pattern has the same 1 centimeter seam allowance that the A0 version has. Do also note that all the different sizes that we have in the folder over at the course have been put together one on top of each other so that we would minimize paper and costs for you as well. It starts from the smallest size on the inside and the largest size on the outside. Towards the end of the video, I'll demonstrate a quick way that you can adjust the size on the sewing pattern, especially the bodice, when you have all the different sizes next to each other. If you find that your measurement isn't the exact measurement on a sewing pattern size chart, you can resize it by graduating it up or down depending on which measurement fits with your size. You could go from a larger bust and draw a line straight to the smaller waist, or from a larger waist size draw a line all the way up to a smaller bust size. On the other hand, you can make the waist of a bodice smaller or larger by adjusting the darts. In the description box below, I'll have a list of different blog posts and videos that would share how to adjust patterns. I hope you found the tips and the tricks in this video useful. If there's a different way that you use to piece your A4 sewing pattern pieces together, do let us know in the comments section below, and I hope to see you in my very next video. All the very best. Take care. Bye.